Hi and welcome back to another video. With all that's happening in the world, I haven't managed to get to our other place and continue working on that yet. So I started doing some stuff at home. What you're looking at here is basically what will be the outlines of a lean-to that I will want to build up against the house. There should be space to park 2 cars. And what I've started doing here is digging a pit. So what I want to do is, on the one side I want to have an inspection pit that I can actually pull a car over and have a look at it underneath. So what the chords are showing you is that chord over there is the boundary running all the way up. It is an odd shape. This chord over here is the center line of where the one car would be parked, and then I've mapped out where the inspection pit would be and started digging. Still have a lot more to dig out though before I'm done. And you can see, sorry for swinging the camera around like that. So this here is the height where the floor should be to match up with what is over there. So I'll take you around this side and look at it this way because I think the lights look better. So this will be part of the floor. This is our French drain. So this will be part of the floor, and this is the level I'm going to be going up against. And then the floor is going to be the height of the string, more or less. So I'll actually have to fill in quite a bit to get it up to that height. So there's going to be quite a bit of filling in to do. I need to get some rubble actually, to fill it in with. And I'll go show you where I'm going to go get that soon. What I've done is I've started putting the soil that I am taking out onto this pile. I kind of underestimated exactly how much space it is going to take up. So I'm actually have to move this out a little bit so I can use it more. And the reason I'm doing this is so that it would be easier for me to actually get all the soil back out again. Not everything is going to go back there, because like I say, I want to go fetch some rubble and put the rubble over, and then I'll just use the soil that I've taken out to get a nice flat surface on that. So let's take a walk and see where I plan to fetch the rubble. So it's been raining here by us for a while, and I haven't managed to get to cut the grass yet. But I'll be doing that in the next few days hopefully. But I think it is going to rain a lot again next week, so probably won't have a chance to strim. And I think the wet grass puts quite a strain on the strimmer, so with all the shops being closed, I don't want to go and break something that I need to cut the grass with. So here we are outside my property. As you can see, we have a little pond over here. So this is only full when it's actually rained. So during winter, the winter season, this will be full. Last year summer, this dried out completely. I mean, you could walk inside, that's quite deep, but you could walk all the way in there. And the same goes for here. So I'm actually going to walk around. During summer you can walk straight through to there, and that's basically what I want to show you over there, is a big rubble pile. Again, in the summertime, this part of the water is absolutely drained. It is bone dry in this part. I'm going to see if I can get there actually, because with the rain, it's all filled up. Luckily I'm wearing boots. And now it's like a marshland. So I walk around the sides. We'll get there. Almost going to the top of my boots. Here's a good enough look. So this is, I don't even know if you'd call it a pond. It's basically at the back of our house. You can hear a car going there in the background. Just on the other side of that as a road, and because it has nice easy access from the road, a lot of people have been dumping rubble over there, which is quite a pity. So my hope is that when we're a bit deeper into summer and the water has dried up a little bit, I'll be able to actually make access to get to this with a wheelbarrow and load up as much of that rubble as I can. I think there's plenty there to be able to fill up the place that I need. It's going to take many trips with the wheelbarrow to get it filled up, but that'll be alright. So there we go. There's my house in the distance. It's quite a nice place. So even though I'm not getting to do any more restoration work or fixing and that on the other house, at least in this place I'm doing a little bit of progress. It's something that, you know, when the restrictions are lifted and we can actually travel around, I can stop with this, leave it for a while because it's not urgent, it's not necessary by any means. This is something I want to get done at some point in time, and then get started on it again at a later date. Let me just get through the water. There we go. So there's still a lot of work to be done there, but at least I'm not sitting on my bum feeling sorry for myself anymore. So if the weather keeps up, it is going to rain next week, but maybe I can get a bit of time in between to dig a hole, continue digging the hole. Anyway, thanks for watching, and we'll try have another video up soon with some progress. Okay, cheers.